Hello everyone, I'm Spot.lk. Welcome to Sri Lanka's first AI-powered job and human capital platform. Today, I'm here to guide you on how to create a company profile correctly. Let's start. First, you need to go to Spot.lk. Then, you need to click on For Employees button on the top right corner. Now, click on the Get Started button in the middle. You need to first fill in your information to create a company profile. You will get an email from Spot.lk with a verification code to verify your email account. Now, provide all the required information to create your employee profile. You can see the employee dashboard. You can post a job by clicking here. Fill all the necessary information of the job advertisements and press Next. Select the benefits that your company offers, and you have the option to display the salary for the position. Now press Next. Please provide a description of the job. Also, you can provide quick questions to be answered by the applicants. Let's review before posting. If everything is perfect, you can press Next. On this screen, you can see the number of remaining job posts and the expiry date of your account. You can find your job posts by clicking on the Jobs tab. You can see the shortlisted applicants for the job post by clicking on the View Applicant button. Job posts will be active for 14 days. After posting job advertisements, it will be in the Pending Jobs tab. Once it gets approved by the admin, it will be available on Spot.lk. Our AI system will automatically suggest you the best candidates from the pool of applicants for your job post. Congratulations! You have successfully created your company profile and posted a job on Spot.lk. For more inquiries, contact us at info@spot.lk or call us on 011 2199 351.